guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. So in today's video I'll be showing you 10 ways how to clean your home using lemons. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle and I upload videos every week on things like cleaning, hauls, lifestyle, motherhood. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. So I thought I would make this video because with everything that's going around with coronavirus and trying to keep our homes clean, bleach and cleaning products being in such a short supply, and ideally I want to try and clean as natural as possible. So I thought I would show you my favourite ways to clean my house using lemons. Lemon, like vinegar, is a fantastic cleaning agent. The acid in lemon is antibacterial, antiseptic and acts as a natural bleach. So it's much nicer to use around your home than using kind of proper bleach that you buy in the shops. What I also love about cleaning with lemons is not only is it natural and doesn't have any kind of nasties in or anything, but it also leaves your home smelling lovely. So let's get into today's video.
Lemons are great for cleaning the oven. What I normally like to do is clean it whilst it's still quite warm. So what you want to do is slice a lemon in half, sprinkle some bicarbonate of soda onto the lemon, give it a squeeze and you'll kind of see it start to fizz. Then I like to sprinkle some additional bicarb onto the glass door and into the oven itself. When you squeeze the lemon, you'll see that the bicarb is starting to react with it, and then what you want to do is start cleaning the glass in circular motions and just continue doing all of the glass and then also inside the oven as well. I normally leave it for around 10 to 15 minutes to let it work its magic, and then you just wipe it all off with a cloth, and it is so amazing how easy all the dirt and grime comes away. Then this is what it looks like after, just like new. I also use the lemon and bicarb to clean my oven racks and grill pans. So what I do again is just get half a lemon, pour the bicarb on, squeeze it so it starts to react, and then just simply scrub it along the grill pans or the oven racks, and it's amazing how quickly it starts to come off. Again, I like to leave it for around 10 minutes and then you simply rinse it away and you've got amazingly clean and sparkling racks. I always use lemons when I want to clean my microwave, especially if I've cooked something a bit smelly in there like fish or something. It's fantastic for getting rid of the smell as well as cleaning it. So this is super easy. All you need to do is get a microwavable bowl, put some water in it, and then you want to slice some lemons in it, pop it in the microwave, put it on for 5 minutes, and that's it. After 5 minutes, it should have created quite a bit of steam inside the microwave. Then you want to remove your bowl, and all you need to do is just get a cloth and wipe down everything, and you'll be amazed at how easy it comes off. Lemons are fantastic for cleaning a stainless steel sink. So again, you want to half a lemon, put a bit of bicarb on top of it, give it a good squeeze, and then you want to start to clean the sink using a circular motion. Leave it for around 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse away with warm water. When I've finished cleaning the sink, I then use that lemon to remove any limescale from the tap. I simply place the lemon onto the tap, kind of push it on and secure it with either a hairband or an elastic band. Leave it on there for around 10-15 minutes depending on how bad the limescale is, and then when you take it off, it's all gone. Amazing. You can also use lemons to make your very own homemade cleaner. All you'll need to make the cleaner is an old bottle, so I'm just using an old cleaning bottle, and then you'll need a lemon, just cut up in small pieces so it will fit inside the bottle, some white vinegar, some rosemary sprigs and water, and that's it. Once you've put the rosemary and lemon in, you then want to add in the vinegar. I would put around a cupful of vinegar in, and then you want to top the rest up with water. And there you have it, your own DIY lemon cleaner. Another thing lemons can be used for, well, not necessarily lemons, but lemon juice, is to descale your kettle. So all you need to do is pour the lemon, so just pour enough juice in to make sure it covers the base, and it's as simple as that. You just pour it in and then you leave that in there to work its magic for about 20 minutes, or just until it clears all the limescale, and then I'll show you after about 20 minutes. So I've left this for around 15 minutes, and you can already see how much of the limescale has started to disappear. So all you need to do now is throw the lemon juice away, rinse it out with a bit of water, and then the limescale has completely gone. You can see it's actually amazing. I honestly wouldn't clean my kettle with anything else. Lemons can also be really useful outside of the kitchen, so I like to use them to clean the bathroom, so they can be particularly good for getting limescale off the taps, using the trick with the hairband. And what I also find them really useful for is removing any kind of soap scum and watermarks on the glass shower screen. So again, what I'll do here is use half a lemon, some bicarb of soda, and rub it in circular motions. Just keep rubbing and then simply rinse it away with a cloth, and all the soap scum, watermarks, everything is gone, and the shine is incredible. Lemons are also great as a stain remover and deodorizer. So what I use it for is to clean and freshen up the chopping board. So all you'll need for this one is half a lemon and some salt. So you just want to sprinkle some salt onto your chopping board and then give it a rub with a lemon. And this way it will make it smell really nice, get rid of any kind of nasty smells and stains as well. The final thing that I like to use lemons for when I've finished all my cleaning is to pop them in the dishwasher and put them on a really hot cycle, and it's amazing for giving the dishwasher a really quick clean.
I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and it's gave you some ideas on how you can use lemons to clean things around your house. If you have, then please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already, then please consider subscribing to my channel. It's completely free and I'd love to have you join me. Thanks for watching, bye!